KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
Good morning. This is the Weather Xtreme video for Saturday morning, December 8th, 2018. I am meteorologist Scott Martin. A very wet and rather cold weekend ahead for central Alabama, with lingering rain chances continuing through Monday night. We'll see a small stretch of dry weather before more rain works into the area by Thursday. Let's start off by taking a look at conditions across central Alabama this morning. As of 6:15 this morning, we have a good bit of light to moderate shower activity spreading across the northern portions of Georgia, Alabama, and over a good bit of Tennessee and Mississippi, with heavier rain and some thunder over much of Louisiana and the southern parts of Arkansas. National Weather Service Birmingham radar shows light to moderate rain mainly over the northern half of the area, while a good portion of the southeastern quarter of central Alabama remaining dry at this point, but that will change shortly. Temperatures at this time were in the upper 30s to the upper 40s across central Alabama. Haleyville was the cold spot at 39 degrees, while the warm spot was Eufaula at 48 degrees. Birmingham was at 44 degrees, and Tuscaloosa was at 45 degrees. As far as severe weather threats for today, there is a marginal risk for severe storms along the Gulf Coast and just inland across the southern portions of Louisiana to the Big Bend area of the Florida Panhandle. There is a small threat of isolated damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour in this risk area. There is just enough shear that there could get some updrafts rotating, so a tornado or two cannot be ruled out. The rest of the United States is just too cold for severe weather. Alright, model fans, let's start off the forecast with the 06Z run of the GFS valid today at noon. A center of low pressure will be over Lake Pontchartrain, pulling plenty of moisture up into central Alabama. We'll start off with light to moderate showers through the morning hours today, but rain will become heavier throughout the day. We could see rainfall amounts topping out in the 2 to 2 3/4 inch range across the area for the next 24 hours. Rain could be heavy enough that there is a slight risk of some flash flooding possible, especially in poor drainage areas and in locations that are known to collect water rather quickly. Daytime highs will top out in the mid-40s to the lower 50s across the area from north to south. Rain will begin to diminish somewhat in coverage late tonight and through the overnight hours, but shower chances will remain elevated as Gulf moisture continues to wrap around the north side of the low. Overnight lows will be in the upper 30s to the mid-40s. Sunday is trending a little drier in this model run as most of the shower activity will have moved over into the Carolinas and much of Georgia. We'll have some lingering light showers and drizzle wrapping around the backside of the low that may affect the northeastern parts of the area, while the rest of central Alabama will remain dry and cold with cloudy skies. Highs will be in the 40s across the area with overnight lows in the 30s. The GFS is trying to pull some moisture back into the northeastern parts of the area for Monday afternoon, so we'll mention a chance of a stray light shower or two, mainly for locations east of I-65 and north of I-20. Those small chances will persist through the evening hours, but should move back out of the area by midnight. We may see a brief snow flurry or two, but that is it. Afternoon highs will be in the mid to upper 40s, with overnight lows in the mid-20s to the mid-30s. While temperatures remain cool across the area on Tuesday, all rain will be out of the area and skies will be sunny throughout the day. Afternoon highs will top out in the upper 40s to the mid-50s. A little warmer for Wednesday as we'll have a very small zone of ridging in place over the area. Skies will be mostly sunny with afternoon highs in the mid to upper 50s across the area for the most part. The next system will be getting its act together on Thursday to our west as a surface low will be over the western parts of Oklahoma at midday. We may have some scattered light showers move across the area during the afternoon hours, but rain will start to increase in coverage during the late night and overnight hours. Afternoon highs will be in the mid-50s to the lower 60s. Friday will start off with rain during the morning hours with maybe just enough instability thrown in for a few claps of thunder. Earlier model runs had the associated low pressure moving through the northern portions of the southeast, but this run has the low moving up into the Great Lakes region as of noon. Rain will be pushing out of the area, and all of central Alabama should be dry by sunset. Highs will top out in the lower 50s to the lower 60s across the area. Taking a brief step out into Voodoo Land, it looks like we'll have a good bit of dry weather after the rain moves out on Friday, with our next possible rain chance late on the night of the 20th, and once again at the end of the forecast period, 384 hours out on the evening of the 23rd and through the morning of Christmas Eve. But this is just a model trend at this point, not an official forecast. That is all for today's Weather Xtreme video. Bill Murray will have the video package for you early tomorrow morning. Remember to follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook. At Alabama WX blog is our feed on both platforms. I'm meteorologist Scott Martin signing off for today. Even with all the rain, have a great day and God bless.